How to clear call history on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Snapchat application on your device. Log in with your account details. Once you do, at the top left corner you will see your profile icon. Simply click on it and go to setting gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are in the setting, scroll all the way down until you see the option of Clear Data. Now here under Account Action, you will see the option of Clear Conversation. Simply click on it and click on cross icon beside the person's name with whom you want to delete the call history. So that's it. That is how easily you can delete call history on Snapchat. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.